The solar car question was a solar car challenge. It was not just a how do you make the most efficient car in the world, it's can you make the most efficient car in the world?
Sierra Circuits started working with the Stanford Solar Car Project at the beginning of this year. Stanford actually came to Sierra at the beginning of this year with an idea, asking us if we would like to be part of a team that would build a solar car.
Yeah, so this is a solar car. This is our car from 2009. We've been building cars here at Stanford since 1990, and we try to push the frontiers of like electric vehicles and vehicle automation.
For the electronics, one of the guys, you have a guy on the bench who's an electrical engineer who designs the board, but he doesn't really know how the board can be mechanically sound. So he'll hand me a board or hand one of the mechanical guys a board that has a forest of yellow wires on it. And the mechanical guy looks at it as like, you know, this is not gonna fly, right? So that's when we call up Sierra.
We had Sierra Circuits do assembly on our power modules and our CAN modules, which are on every board in the car. We have a central power bus running through the entire car, and then we tap off of that to power each of our individual boards. And there's a small PCB module that Sierra Circuits assembled for us that accomplishes that.
Sierra Circuits puts a lot of value in being able to provide great service and combining that with quality and also quick turn delivery. In this case, we actually talked to Stanford and see how we could further help them in regards to maybe making PCBs lighter or making the circuits better so that it would work better for their requirements.
I have two favorite things about Sierra Circuits. One is that they're local and they're really fast. So I send them a board order kind of like, oh no, 5 in the morning, like things aren't going so well. And like 2 to 4 days later, I can drive 30 minutes down there and pick that up. And that is just killer.
Sierra Circuits is awesome. Working with them has been really great for our project because then we don't have to ship the car to Australia with a bunch of yellow wires, which may or may not break at any moment.
We would absolutely use Sierra Circuits again for our next car. And we also will probably use it going into the future as we all go out into industry to get jobs.